Hello, my name is I am a Professor Jessica's assistant. And today I will teach you how to use EndNote. And the first one will go to the NPUST website and you choose the library. Okay, this is English version. And when you enter the when you enter the library's website, please choose the library database. And you choose the EndNote. And you choose the EndNote Ignite. And please download. Yeah, you just download in the desktop or D file, C file is okay. Okay, just that file. And when you install the EndNote, please close all of the PPT or PowerPoint or the Word. Okay, you open it. Unlip. You need to unlip first. Unlip first. Okay, I click this tool and click open. Okay, because I already installed, so I use this one. Yeah, this is unlip all. And you choose this to install. Welcome the EndNote X9. Okay, we choose the next. And this has some schools license version. And you choose accept. And you choose this one. Choose next. And when this have the show the license agreement, please choose I accept license agreement and choose next. And when your screen shows the selector installation type, please choose the custom and choose next. And this just you can choose in a C file and choose next. And this in here is very important. When your screen shows the selector features, please choose the first one and click entire feature will be installed on local hard drive. Yeah, when you choose when you choose the entire feature and then we will like this. It's very important. And I think you don't need to choose this install direct export helper. You need to remove the link and choose next. Yeah, you need to remove. And when your screen shows the ready to install the application, please click next. And it's just waiting for install. Okay, then the last one, when you finish, your screen will show the EndNote X9 has been successfully installed. Okay, when you finish, you can go to your PPT. Okay, like this one. Your PPT. In here, we'll have the EndNote X8. But when you go to your Word, then we'll show the EndNote X9. Okay, the first one, we need to create our library. So we choose this, and we choose the go to EndNote. Cancel. Okay. So we need to create your self library first. So we choose a new. I prefer to save in my desktop. For example, this is my scissors. So I type my scissors library. Maybe you have some you need to vote a paper for your seminar or journal. Also, you can revise your file name. My seminar library or my thesis library. My thesis library or I choose EndNote thesis library and I save. Okay, save to you like this. And how do you put your reference in the EndNote? They have some ways. And the first one, you can go to the Scholar. Okay, we type the Google Scholar. Google Scholar. And for now, the popular issue is coronavirus. Maybe we can coronavirus. Maybe have some paper. Coronavirus in China. Let me check. I don't know have the paper I can download. Okay. Okay, maybe we download the source. This is related to your seminar topic or thesis topic. So I need to download first. Download the paper. If your this paper is related to your research, PDF. Download PDF. So I need to put in analysis library. SAS. And we go in when we choose the SAS this one. So if you want to save the situation, we choose this one and EndNote. And maybe we copy this and choose this one, EndNote. And we save in the analysis library. Just I make it before I create my library. Okay. Okay, then we are showing this, and you can click. It will automatically put in the EndNote. And for this one, you just click, and you can attach the file in analysis library, the SAS, put in here. Okay, they just save in the EndNote. And do you want to save the change you made the reference? Of course, you need to choose the yes. Yeah, when you click this, okay, that will automatically. So if you search the paper in Google Scholar, you just choose this. And wait, you choose the EndNote. Okay. If you went to the LS wait, when you went to the LS that's the keyword. Okay. Oh, 2000. This is a coronavirus disease 19 implication from China detailed care. Okay. I download PPT first. No. Download PDF. Download this paper. I save. Because we in this case have knowledge. Okay, if you want to export, please choose this and choose the RRS. RRS, and you paste the name. Okay, you could don't forget if you want to save the situation in Expert, you need to choose the RRS. Export the situation to RRS, and you click, it will automatically. Okay, we click again. We want to save our paper in here. Okay. Okay, we choose do you want to save? Yes. Okay, now there are two reference. And we we enter the word. Now you have to choose the style. APA or APA So copy. This is my this, and you also can create your style, because when I use the, I don't know, when I use the this, they still have some reference is very different with APA. So you can create a new one. And this APA 6 copy is my create. Okay, and choose this. I need to, maybe I see first. And if you want to put the reference, I see it very quickly. Click this and go to the word and choose EndNote X9 and choose this and the second one. Insert select situations. Okay, automatically. Okay, by me. And this is the reference. reference reference, and put in the middle. Okay, so this will automatically. And here, sometimes you want to change the style, just go to here, edit and manage situations, then choose, maybe to choose is also a year. It just will like this, blah 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 and blah 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 this. Set that, okay, like this, or according to, see, according, according to, co, okay, according to, I forgot. Okay, according to this person, Mara, you click this and come back to the word and choose this one, and the second insert select action. Okay, like this. And you need to change the style, right? Edit and management, and choose the display as also here. Okay, and just like this. And you can see here and from here automatically, right? And sometimes you can like this have at all, but this did not have at all. You need to revise, but you cannot revise here. Like this. I just, okay, they will automatically remove. So if you want to remove, you need to remove the list. You must to remove the connect this. How to say? So maybe I just choose the convert to plain text. This document has not yet been saved. It suggests that you save. Okay, we save yes. So they have the two versions. I save in a desktop. And device paper. Yeah, so here they already remove the connect, so you can maybe like this. It's ETAL. Like this, you can automate by here, but before your this one you cannot, because they didn't disconnect the connect. Just like this.